Makita 18v Nail Gun DFN350Z Cordless Brushless Gauge Brad Nailer Carpentry Decoration Electric Pneumatic Gun Woodworking Tool. Specifications. Product specifications. Brand, Makita. Model, DFN350Z. Type, Cordless Brushless Nail Gun. Category, Woodworking Tool. Design, ergonomic and lightweight. Performance, high-speed driving capability. Parts and accessories, comes with a no-mar tip and safety glasses. Features. Efficient and reliable performance. The Makita 18v Nail Gun DFN350Z is a powerful and versatile addition to any woodworking toolkit. This cord